Good evening, this is Griffins from Griffnet TV. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Griffnet Studios. Subscribe, like and comment. Okay guys, today I'm bringing for you very nice thing, and today I want to show you and make awareness and cautions to people who are using smartphones, because I'm going to give different ways how to make your phone non-traceable, because you know your smartphones are sensitive to tracking devices, and anywhere you go you can be traced. Okay, you get children are being traced and being abducted, but today I'm giving you a very nice way how you can make your smartphone untraceable. Thank you guys and welcome. This video is only for educational purposes.
You have to use antivirus software, use a VPN, don't use public Wi-Fi's like the government of Kenya public Wi-Fi's. Those are the things that are making it to be trackable. Now check your Google account, turn your location off, enable biometrics and two-factor authentication, keep your phone updated. And caution to those guys who are not using premium IP. If you don't use premium IP, they will trace you. People can still trace you with these other methods. They can trace you when you are during doxing. They can trace you, or your VIP can leak. Okay, your VIP can leak, and you can store some data that you are using online. Now for emergency situation, when you have realized that you are being traced, you have to put your phone on flight mode. Don't turn it off. If you turn it off, they will still trace you. Put your smartphone on flight mode, and that's how you can get your smartphone overseas.
Thank you guys. I was your host Griffin. So we are from Griffin Studios. Have a nice time. Bye bye.